ओम शांति। ब्रह्मा कुमारी मीडिया प्रभाग तथा नॉर्थ महाराष्ट्र मीडिया सर्विस सेंटर जलगांव की ओर से आयोजित ऑनलाइन मीडिया ट्रेनिंग के इस सत्र में आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत है, अभिनंदन है, अभिवादन है। पिछले सत्र में हमने सोशल मीडिया द्वारा किस प्रकार मूल्यनिष्ठ सेवाएं कर सकते हैं इसके बारे में जानकारी देखी। आज के सत्र में बहुत अनुभव युक्त और प्रेरक विचार प्रस्तुत करने आ रही है हैदराबाद से बीके सरला बहन जी। आप मीडिया प्रभाग के राष्ट्रीय संयोजक के रूप में अपनी अहम सेवाएं देती हैं तथा बीएचईएल में आप पिछले 25 वर्षों से जनसंपर्क अधिकारी के रूप में कार्यरत हैं। आप ग्लोबल फोरम फॉर पब्लिक रिलेशन के राष्ट्रीय संयोजिका के रूप में अपनी सेवाएं देती हैं। पिछले 30 वर्षों से आप ब्रह्मा कुमारी से जुड़े हैं। आपसे अनुरोध है कि कृपया संस्था प्रतिमा में जनसंपर्क की भूमिका विषय पर अपने अनुभव युक्त विचार हमारे साथ प्रस्तुत करें। बीके सरला बहन जी।
Om Shanti. Good evening to all of you. Respected Bhrata Karunaji, Chief of Media and Public Relations of Brahma Kumaris, Vice Chairperson, respected Bhrata Atam Prakash Bhaiji, National Coordinator Bhrata Sushant Ji, Headquarters Coordinator Shantanu Bhai Ji, Professor Kamal Dikshit Ji, Komal Bhai, Gangadhar Bhai, and today's learned speakers, Dr. Ajit Pathak Ji, Brother Babji, Secretary General of Public Relations Society of India, and all the respected speakers and dear participants of today's e-training program. It's very nice to have an exclusive session for public relations, and I thank Dr. Somnath Bhai who took a great initiative in organizing this key conference. Popular and highly experienced PR professionals like Dr. Ajit Pathak Ji and Babji brother have dealt very nicely and given the best of their profession in today's concept, scope and changing dimensions of PR and trends of PR. As you are all aware, the world is presently going through a very sensitive and delicate situation. And in this situation, the PR professional is facing a great challenge in discharging his function. And it is at this time spirituality takes an important role in giving relief to the professionals. Especially public relations has a great relevance to spirituality. Spirituality is nothing but understanding about the spirit, otherwise the inner power. The inner power of any human being possesses 7 innate qualities, they being love, peace, happiness, bliss, knowledge, power and purity. Any human being in this world possesses all these 7 innate qualities. The only difference that varies from person to person is the degree of their innate quality. Especially with reference to public relations, professional strength, depends upon how we operate these innate qualities powerfully in discharging our role, be it with the internal public, with external public, government relations, customer relations, stockholder relations, shareholder relations, etc., etc. The public relations officer has to, in order to emerge himself as a true PR person, has to necessarily understand and relate himself with his true nature and operate his innate quality in relating to others. In this context, I would like to take or cite an example of the present Chief of Public Relations and Media of Brahma Kumaris, who wanted to give a voluntary support service to Brahma Kumaris as a PRO way back in 1970s. He was taken to introduce himself to the then Chief of Brahma Kumaris, Dadi Prakash Maniji. When she first saw him, in those days, the profession was either not really known or little known to people. Dadiji, who is a great spiritual leader and possesses and operates to her inner talents, understood the meaning of the PR profession and addressed him, Ao Pyaro. She understood the underlying importance of love or pyar, which is absolutely necessary in discharging the function. He lived up to that purity in, therefore, it is necessary for all of us to understand that the quality of love takes a major role in discharging our professional function. The best way of relating to people is to relate ourselves and understand about ourselves perfectly. When we relate to ourselves, we would be able to relate to the Supreme Almighty Authority, who can be deemed as the best relationship any human being can ever have, that would enable a person to relate himself to others. Therefore, a PR person, in order to be successful, has to take the support of spirituality, because the profession always attaches relevance to spirituality. I wish all of you a great success in discharging your function and emerge yourself the best professional ever. Thanking you and Om Shanti.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद ब्रह्मा कुमारी सरला बहन जी आपका। आपने बहुत ही अनुभव युक्त और प्रेरक विचार हमारे सामने प्रस्तुत किए।